Okay, this is what's known as a classic spun cable. Cable's off on this side. Movers were cleaning the resident out. Door probably came down on something, cable jumped off. Springs are okay. Door's a piece of garbage. But you know, I can get it up and running again. He's moving out, he wants to get it running for minimal cost. And you know, with the exception of a bent vertical and the cable being off, shouldn't be a problem. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to level the door so I can get the cable back on. That side's vice gripped off, that side's going to want to probably take off. This side here, when I lift it, will slack the cable enough for me, hopefully, to get it back on the hub. Worst case scenario, I pull the whole thing down and work on it down. It's a little harder to do. You have to inch it down because that side's tight, this side literally is loose. So what I'm going to do on this particular case is I'm just going to keep that side viced off and get this side up enough to get the roller in the track, and then I'll try to leave it where it is since it's locked in with the opener, and just work the cable back onto the hub. Doesn't matter if it's in the grooves or not, because when I bring it down, it'll straighten itself out. Now I'm on the grooves here. This one's critical that you get it started up here. These aren't. Just get it on the hub. It'll straighten itself out when you bring it down. Now you might need to raise the door up enough to get some slack to get it back on here. And the other side's going to want to go up too. So vice grips on top of the roller, on the tight side, underneath the roller, on the loose side. Now it's back on. I'll check to see if the door's level. I'll adjust the tracks because they usually get bent, and we'll try it. What an absolute pile of garbage. Unbelievable. Unbelievable that there's a door made this poorly and somebody owns it. Okay, after adjusting the track over there, and lubing everything, the roller stems, especially on the top roller. We're wanting to slide in and out to adjust for the back hang, making it real stiff. I lubed everything up. It's working fairly decent. Haven't tested it on the opener yet. Getting ready to do that now, but still a little bit heavy. When I bring the door up, it should stay about that much above where the vertical and the horizontal track come together on its own. It drops back down to just a little below the connection. Tells me it's probably a wind or two off, so I'm going to adjust that. I'm going to lube the rail, and then when I get it to stand up on its own at the height I want it to, then we'll hook it up to the opener, see what the opener thinks about it. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Okay, down limit seemed pretty good. Where I wasn't buckling up. Opener sounded okay. Let's try it out. Go up too high, give a cable slack. Cable hasn't jumped off, but it's slack. Doesn't need to go up that high. Bring the door about that far below the opening in this case. Try it again. Okay. Dropped it a little bit in the opening. Both cables got tension on them. Spring was wound up a little bit more, a couple winds, and door's working as good as this thing can work. So, spun cable, done. And don't forget, since the trash man's passing by, always clean up your garbage.